Hello guys. Do you know what is the interest rates? Interest rate is the rate which is paid by a borrower to a lender for the use of money that they borrow. As such, interest is the cost of borrowing for the borrower. While, for the lender or investor, interest is the income from the money invested or loaned by deferring the uses of funds. The interest rate applicable usually depends on the credit risk. Normally high credit risk is associated with higher interest rates that is promised by the borrower. Interest rates are often expressed in basis points. 1 basis point is 0.01% per annum. There are three types of rates, which is treasury rates, LIBOR rates and repo rates. Treasury rates basically used by governments borrowing instruments such treasury bills and treasury bonds issued by a government in its own currency, government guaranteed return, which is risk-free. Next is LIBOR rates. LIBOR, which stands for London Interbank Offered Rate, is a benchmark interest rate at which major global banks lend to one another in the international interbank market for short-term loans. Lastly is repo rates. Repo rate is the rate at which the central bank of a country lends money to commercial banks in the event of any shortfall of funds. Repo rate is used by monetary authorities to control inflation. And last but not least, how do we calculate the interest rates? Interest rates are calculated in different ways, such as simple rates and compounding rates. Simple rates is a quick and easy method of calculating the interest charge on a loan. Simple rates is determined by multiplying the daily interest rate by the principal by the number of days that elapse between payments. Compounding rates is divided into two, which is periodic compounding and continuous compounding. The effect on the future value depends on the compounding frequency in which the interest rate is to be measured, NBSP. Different compounding frequencies have different effects on the value of initial amount. That's all from us. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.